What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos about my life and my car and hopefully some more different stuff. But yeah, if you like, subscribe, it doesn't hurt. But welcome back to the channel. I think Friday we did the oil change. Saturday, which was yesterday, we put on the fog lights, and today is Sunday. And we're gonna put on this bad boy right here. It's exhaust day. Finally. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually have an exhaust. Alright, so we got the car on the rhino ramps, and we're gonna work our way from the back to the mid pipe because I don't have a lift, and our jack does not reach high enough where we can crawl under. So yeah, right now we're gonna take off the mufflers, and then we're gonna work our way back to the wide pipe, and then we're gonna take the car off the ramps, and then we're gonna work on the mid pipe, and then we're gonna work mid pipe and go backwards with this exhaust right here. Ready? Yep. Do this. WD-40. Where's the WD? We got the mufflers off of the hangers back there, and now all we have to do is just unbolt it from the downpipe, and the catback will be removed, and then we'll put on the new one. I don't know. It's just reaction, dude. Yeah. Hi.
You get it?
It's coming slowly, but like there's not much room down here, so I can't take big turns and stuff.
I'm gonna try to move the light so it's easier to see. Oh, there we go. That's good.
Ooh.
Make sure the exhaust doesn't just fall on you.
Yeah, I'm not in the way, so if it falls, it falls. Dude, my hand's getting tired.
You want to switch?
No, it's okay. I don't want you under here.
How long is it gonna take to get the bolt off?
Dude, it's literally at the edge. It's like almost there. Unscrew it with my hand, but oh, there we go.
You got it?
It's out.
It's out. Finally.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side, and so is my hat. My hat's off too.
Oh, and the WD-40.
Hi. How you doing?
We're good.
What the?
What happened?
What the hell is it hanging on now? It's still hanging on to something.
Aww.
Okay, so we got the bolt disconnected from the downpipe, but I didn't know this. There is another hanger, and that's what the entire exhaust is hanging off right now, and it's holding up the wide pipe. But this side is completely off. This side is just dangling because of the hanger. Come on, focus you. Because of a hanger right over there. So what we have to do now is turn the car back around. Oh, maybe we don't have to back it around. Just put the ramps over there. We'll just back it up real quick. Yeah, okay. So I wish we filmed this, but I just turned the car on and I forgot that I disconnected it from the cat, and I turned it on and it was louder, not super loud. It was louder than it normally is, and both my brother and I looked at each other and we were just like, for a good 5 seconds. But yeah, okay. Oh, should I rev it a little bit? See what it sounds like right now?
Yeah.
Did it just pop? What the Right here. The exhaust not just giving any sound. Alright, I'm gonna back it up.
It probably sounds like dog here with.
I know. Alright, back it up.
Alright. Go. Stop. Right there. You could want a little bit more, but that's fine.
If you want to, it's not that much.
Alright, that's good. Oh, I wasn't even looking when I was recording.
It's okay. Okay, here it comes.
My hand! I got it. Get out. I got it.
Dude, this thing is stuck.
I don't know.
Are you sure you got it? I'm gonna
Yeah,
let
I
go.
got it. I was literally holding it, dude.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It did. It was okay. Alright, Jack.
Don't. Ah, my arm!
Alright, pull it up. Ready? Yeah.
Exhaust time, baby! Remove the stock exhaust from the car. And now we're gonna open up the package and see what the baby holds inside. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Straight 3-inch. The tips
This
are right
box.
there. Those are the tips.
In here?
Mm-hmm. Open it up.
Oh, shit. Alright. Whoa!
Wow, that
Yo, they
looks,
gave you a lollipop.
that looks really good.
My lollipop.
Ooh, I'm gonna eat that later. Okay.
Okay. It'd be like this, right? So this would be the left side.
That's left side, yeah. No, that's the right side. Look, that's technically, like, if you're looking from the back, it's the right side. If you're looking from the front, it's the left side.
Okay.
I think you broke it.
Well, then again, I never really tried
Wow.
to find one. I just watched the exhaust videos and nobody like explains how to do it. They just do it.
No, you're right. There you go. That looks right. That looks right. Black tips look good.
Okay. So we finally got.
It's not. You can't even see it because the tips are black. But we finally got everything on.
Everything's done. We're both hella tired, hella hungry, but we're about to hear it for the first time.
Oh shit. Your phone stopped recording again. Oh, that was after that. Sounds like heaven.
And it's not even loud when it's idling.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh.
Okay, you can start recording back up. So it's now the next morning and I'm on my way to work. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, but we're gonna start up the car. It's gonna be the first startup with the new exhaust. So let's see. Look at this. It snowed all night. It is still snowing. The snow is halfway to my shin, so right about here. And I gotta drive all the way into Boston for work.